Good day, sir. I am Clarlyn Love Fajarito from BSCA 1 Block 3. In this video, I am going to discuss the things that I have learned in the Civil Engineering Crash Course number 2 video. In this video, I have learned that civil engineering is the most ancient type of engineering, and it's the accomplishments of civil engineering that our world is built on. Modern society cannot be imagined without civil engineering. Its existence made our modern life possible. With this video, I knew the names of some reputable individuals who introduced civil engineering in the ancient time. One of them is Imhotep, one of the world's first notable civil engineers about 5,000 years ago in Egypt. He is the planner of the first Egyptian pyramid. He helped oversee the building of the step pyramid of Saqqara constructed in 17th century BCE. The step pyramid of Saqqara is a limestone-based pyramid. It's about as tall as a modern 18-story building at around 60 meters or 200 feet high. Its design, structure, and construction helped pave the way for other great civil engineering marvels like the Great Pyramid of Giza. Next is Hippodamus of Miletus, called the father of city planning. Many aspects of urban design that we now take for granted can all be attributed to him. In fact, a type of layout was named after him. This layout is known as Hippodamian plan, that involves dividing up cities into different parts for different purposes through rectangular city blocks and straight streets with avenues at right angles. Next is Joseph Aspdin, who patented a more modern concrete in 19th century. He used finely ground stone and clay to make what he called Portland cement because of its resemblance to the limestone of Portland, England. Next is Henry Winstanley, a painter, builder, and merchant who lost two ships on the England's Edison Rocks, so he built an octagonal, made-of-wood lighthouse that lasted for 2 years until a storm came to destroy it. It became apparent that the wood wasn't working for this lighthouse, so a new generation of engineers had to do something different. John Smeaton is the first to label himself a civil engineer. Instead of wood, he began building a lighthouse in 1756 made from hydraulic lime, a type of concrete that sets underwater that allowed it to last for more than 120 years. Next is Joseph William Bazalgette, who designed a more modern sewer network for central London. His network helped relieve the city of its cholera epidemic by treating the water and cleansing the polluted river. This led to a continued practice of treating drinking water and sewage, which will be important to maintaining public health. These individuals became prominent as they built foundation to the different fields of civil engineering. Some of these fields was briefly discussed on the video, like the difference between structural engineering and construction engineering, which is quite similar. However, structural engineering focuses more on the design and framework of structures, while construction engineering is more involved with actually building the structure. Transportation is about the building of roads and bridges for transport of goods and materials. Sanitation, however, is about cleansing of water and building of a proper sewage system. Hydraulic engineering is the construction of dams and canals, while geotechnical engineering is the analyzing of the behavior of earth materials, the rocks and soil, for instance, so our structures are built on the right foundation. Through this video, I have learned that civil engineering is one of the most crucial courses of today, because without them, modern society would not exist. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.